Hi guys, so this is about plotting points on the Argand diagram. So you see here in the example that you've got three different complex numbers. So the first one is 3 plus 2i. So when we're plotting this on the Argand diagram, so the Argand diagram is just the name of the diagram that you plot complex numbers on. So there's nothing complicated really about it or anything special about it. If you've done plotting coordinates before, it's very similar. Across, so horizontally, you've got the real axis, so that's where you're going to look for the real part of the complex number, and then the vertical one is where we look for the imaginary part. So in the first one, the real part is 3, so we're going to go across to 3 along the real axis, so that would be there, and then we're going to go up to 2 because 2 is the imaginary part, and then we're going to just put a dot where they meet. So there, so that would be the point A then. So that's 3 plus 2i. Second one is minus 2 minus 2i. So first part again is the minus 2, so we're going to go across to minus 2, which is here, and then we're going to go down to minus 2, which is there, and we're going to put a dot where they meet. So that would be B then. And then third one, C, is minus 4 plus I. So remember with this one, minus 4 plus I is the same thing as minus 4 plus 1i. So whenever you see I by itself, it's the same thing as having 1 in front of it. So I'm just going to go across to minus 4, and then I'm going to go up to 1 because it's plus 1i. And we put a dot there, so that would be C then. And then D is minus 2i, so it doesn't really have a real part here. But remember again, you can call that, if there's nothing there for the real part, you can just say it's 0 minus 2i. So 0 minus 2i. So I'm kind of starting at 0, so I'm not going left or I'm not going right because it's just 0. And then I'm just going down to 2. So the point would be there. So that would be D then. So that's 0 minus 2i. Right, so here's 4 more then. If you want to pause the video and maybe draw out the Argand diagram like so, and try and plot them yourself, and then play it on, and I'll just plot them for you. Right, so the first one anyway is 1 plus 3i. So I'm going to go across to 1, and then it's plus 3i, so I'm going to go up to 3 on the imaginary axis. So 1 plus 3i would be there, so that would be where A is. Second one is 4 minus I, so remember again, that's the same thing as 4 minus 1i, if there's nothing in front of the I. So I'm going to go across the 4 and then down 1 because it's minus 1i or minus I. So that would be B. C then is minus 1 plus 2i, so I'm going to go across to minus 1 and up to 2 because it's plus 2i, so that is C. And then last one, minus 2 minus 3i, so I'm going across to minus 2 and then down 3, so down here. So that's D then.